Here are a few examples from probability 11. So it is just like probability 10, except for you have to find the final answer. So there are 10 dog treats. What is the probability of picking a fish treat, then another fish? All right, so out of all the 10 treats, the probability of getting a fish treat first would be 2 out of 10. Now, even though there's two of them and we have a better chance of picking one, we still only get to pick one. So let's say we get this one here. I'm going to cross it out. Now, what is the probability of catching or getting another fish treat? There's this one fish left here out of 9 remaining treats, because if we gave this first one to the dog, it was eaten, we don't have it anymore. So we have one more fish treat out of the 9 remaining treats. So now we have to multiply both of these fractions together. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 10 times 9 is 90. You do not need to simplify your answer. So this is what you're going to put in that final box. And so when you put it there, you can do 2/90. And this slash is the same as the question mark button on your keyboard. All right, let's try another one. And again, your questions are going to be different than mine. Each of you gets random questions each time. All right, there are 4 sunglasses to choose from, and let's pretend these are on the clearance rack. There are only 4 left. What is the probability of the first shopper buying the sport sunglasses? So the sport sunglasses is 1 out of the 4 options. Okay, so they get the sport ones. So now the next person comes by. What is the probability they get the aviator sunglasses? Well, the aviators is 1 out of the 3 remaining sunglasses. So 1/3 for the aviators. And we're going to multiply those together. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 3 is 12. So the answer is 1/12. All right, let's see. I'm going to go to let's go to the claw machine. So this claw machine, you are a winner every time. What you win is just kind of by chance. Okay, so what is the probability of winning a flamingo? Well, the flamingo is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is 1 of the 10 animals. So let's say the claw machine does pick up that flamingo. Now there's only going to be 9 animals left in the claw machine. So now the probability of getting a monkey would be 1 out of those 9 animals that are left. And we will multiply those together to get 1 out of 90. If a question asks you about a mammal, the flamingo lays eggs. So that is not a mammal, but the rest of these animals are mammals. And if it talks about the animals that have 2 eyes, they all have 2 eyes. Just because we only see one of the flamingo's eyes doesn't mean it only has one. It has 2. It just has its body turned, so we only see one. But all of the animals have 2 eyes, because those might come up in one of your questions. All right, send me an email if you have any more questions.